Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button. If you found any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel, we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible. As always, so as you can see right here, we have Tezos, or Xtz with the USDT, or basically the Tether token, the stable coin, which indicates us that basically Tezos is seeing a price of around $3.16. Today we are down 10 cents, or approximately 3.10%. The market is like everything is red, as you can see right here. Everything is red that is on my watch list at the moment, except TRCH. It is going freaking, I don't know, mental. So yeah, just go check the video out. Go check today's video out about TRCH. You will see what I'm talking about. It's basically a stock. So yeah, overall Tezos is sitting at price, as I said, at 316. We are still in this triangle that I have at the moment. And if you're questioning why I have this freaking rectangle just below the price action, just below the candles, it's basically my buy zone here. I mean, we cannot touch this anymore, so we just like expand it or something. I don't know. Let me just do that. Yeah, let's just do that. It will be fun if we just pass through this, but yeah, we will just adjust it. But at the moment, this is how it looks like, and I think that we will go something like this. I had a line right there that the prediction right here that it never happened. So let me just delete this too, and just put in our prediction right here. And if your question is should invest right now at the moment, my answer will be absolutely yes. I mean, we are low, and at some point we gotta push to the upside. But when we enter into the summer, there's not huge things going on. I mean, if the news hit the market, it's something will be happening. But at the moment, no. The liquidity goes down and so on. So, but yeah, overall the summer is not that. We do not have that kind of a liquidity. So yeah, this is the prediction and the thing that will be happening. It may just really push from here on to the upside. And yeah, overall I'm targeting this like order block right here on a daily chart. This is the order block that I'm targeting. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. If you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. It will help me out a lot. And if you want to earn some free cash, go into the links in the description down below. You will see what I'm talking about. And yeah, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.